So, g'day people, how you going? And in today's video we're going to be talking about a blue moon, or specifically once in a blue moon. So, you see this clock, we'll just say that that is the moon, okay? And a full moon is what a blue moon is actually taken out of context with. So, a full moon occurs every month of the calendar year, so about 12 times a year, roughly, I think like 29 days or something like that. So I believe it'll probably be 13 in 1 year. Anyway, so that actually looks white. So a moon looks white because of the reflection of the sun. But sometimes it actually can look a different color. And one of those colors is blue. And the reason why it's blue is that either there's particles in the atmosphere, like there was a volcanic eruption, there was a fire, put a lot of particles in the atmosphere. And that's actually scattering the light, and it's allowing the blue light to reach our eyes. So it's scattering the red light, so you're not actually seeing the red light and you're just seeing the blue light. And the other wavelengths also being scattered as well. And also there is another way in which the angle of the light hitting the moon and bouncing off the moon causes it to scatter the red light away and to allow the blue light to reach our eyes, for which we perceive it as a blue moon. And it's not very common, it's pretty rare indeed. So when we're talking about once in a blue moon, we're talking about a pretty rare event. So an event that doesn't actually occur every day or every year or every 100 years. And that's where, like the current coronavirus pandemic and recession, pandemics like that occur every 10 years. Not very rare. Recessions occur every 8-9 years. Not very rare. But both together, this is a pretty rare event, because usually they coincide differently several times. Like we had the 1918 American flu, or some people call Spanish flu, but it originated in America, so it's the American flu. And the 1930 Great Depression. Although there was a recession in 1920-22, that was a bit after the outbreak of the actual virus. So the depression and the virus, the American flu, occurred at different times. And in today's recession, or should I say, the 2020 Corona depression, yes, we know it's a depression because it's just so bad. Anyway, so that occurred separately, and this is the first time they both occurred together that we actually have written records for. Oh no, we do have records for the other ones, and I'd say the other ones probably occurred at the same, like the bubonic plague would have definitely caused a depression, and because a lot of people just died. Anyway, so this is a once in a blue moon event. It means it's very rare that actually occurs. Like, what else? Mass extinctions of animals. Yeah, animals become extinct all the time. Every 100 years, a certain amount of animals will become extinct, and a certain amount will start to evolve. But a mass extinction which hundreds of thousands of animals, species, become extinct all in a short period of time is a once in a blue moon event. Doesn't occur every day. So that's what a once in a blue moon actually means. Something that is statistically just so remote that it's unlikely to occur. Anyway, I hope this helps you out with what once in a blue moon actually means. And just keep on learning whatever wherever you can during the day. Thank you and goodbye.